My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle has done just over 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and it is a hybrid electric vehicle. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we have features such as navigation, audio, smartphone integration, apps, info and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The Corolla comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we have our Sport, Normal and Eco. If we press this button here, we can activate our EV mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.